Hi everyone. We're going to classify the angle pair as corresponding. I'm going to call that 1. Alternate interior, alternate exterior, or consecutive interior angles. So these are some examples, and I have 3 of these, I believe, 3 or 4. So let's get started. We have angle 3 and 9. Those are called alternate interior because they're on the interior and they alternate. They're across from each other like that. So that's going to be number 2. I'm using number 2 here. All right. 5 and 13. Those are on the corner when you do the transversal here. So corner means corresponding. They are that same corner. So that's going to be number 1. We have 4 and 10. That's alternate interior. So that's number 2. 5 and 15. Those are exterior because they're on the outside versus the inside. So that's going to be number 3. Alternate exterior. We have 7 and 14. So 7 and 14 are here. Those are called consecutive interior. They're both interior and they are lying on the same side. They're not alternate. So that is number 4. And we have 1 and 11. Same thing. That's number 4. All right. Let's go do some more. And we'll go a little faster. So we have 1 and 9. The transversal cuts these 2 lines, and these are the corner. So corner, remember, starts with the C-O-R. So that's corresponding. Number 1. We have 8 and 13. Those are consecutive interior because they're not an alternate. So that one's number 4. We have 6 and 16. Those are alternate, but they're on the outside of the 2 lines. So that's alternate exterior, which is number 3. 4 and 10 are here. Those are alternate interior. They're inside the 2 lines. So that's going to be number 2. Then we have 8 and 16. Those are corners. So you see when you draw the line, they're on the same corner. So that's called corresponding, which is number 1. And 10 and 13. 10 and 13. Since they're on the inside and they're consecutively, they're not alternate, that's number 4. And we have one more. You might want to pause the video and try to do these on your own. So we have 1 and 5. With the line, if you draw a line here, they're on the same corner, on the same side. So that's corresponding. 4 and 6. They're alternating, but they're on the outside of the line. So that's called alternate exterior, which is, we're going to call number 3. We have 16 and 10. Those are on alternating on the inside. If you drew another line here. So that's going to be um, alternate interior, which is number 2. Then we have 11 and 16. These are on the same line, and they're not alternating, so they're consecutive interior, which I will call number 4. We have 12 and 14. 12 and 14. They're on the outside, and they're alternating, so that's alternate exterior. And then we have 7 and 13. 7 and 13 is, 7 and 13 are here. They're alternate interior. So that's number 2. Now here's some definitions. Alternate interior on the inside. Alternate exterior here on the outside, but alternating. Corresponding angles. I always think of corresponding as corner, and they both start with COR. So when you draw the transversal, you have it like that. And consecutive interiors, they lay on the same side, and they're consecutive on the interior. They have to be on the interior. So let's get this real quick. Number 2, we got to find a corresponding angle to number 2. So that would be on the corner, and that would be number 6. Oh wait, let's not look at that one. I want to look at this one. On the corner would be 10. Same corner of this transversal. So that would be number 10, angle 10. Number 4, and we want consecutive interior. So consecutive interior would be 4 and 11. So angle 11. Angle 11, we want alternate interiors. So where's 11? So this would be alternate interiors. So that would be angle 1. And then we want alternate exteriors with 12. So that would be 12 and 2. So that would be angle 2. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.